For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix preparing automatic repair in Windows 10 or 11. Let's start by clicking on the Start menu. Now go to the Power button, then press and hold the Shift and select Restart. Go to Troubleshoot and then select Advanced Options. Now select Startup Repair and click on it. This option will repair all startup files and wait for the progress to finish. If the method still didn't work, go to Troubleshoot and then select Advanced Options. Select the command prompt, then select your account and enter your PIN if you have one. In the command, simply type this and hit enter. Again, it will take quite some time to finish the process, but after this whole thing, just restart your PC and your problem should now be fixed. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.